Had to be amazed of the waterfall braid curl thing I'm doing. Alright, first we're going to straighten our hair with my handy. This is the best tool ever. It's the Remington straightener, but it's also a curling iron, so you will see both. I'm going to straighten her hair now, and we will continue from that point. I'm going to speed this all up on the camera, so. Alright, I am ready to braid now. I'm going to be doing the waterfall braid, so watch closely if you want to know how to do it. Awesome. Catherine, can you hold this? I will put it in your hand. Perfect. Right there. Okay, tilt your head this way a little bit. Start out with a normal braid, and we're just going to normal French braid it for a little bit until we get this side. And then, then what you do is instead of crossing this over, drop it and pick up the piece next to it, and that creates the waterfall effect. Okay, so drop it, pick it up. So if you can see that, you want to drop it and pick it up. So I'm going to continue doing this all the way around until we reach probably just about the middle of her head. And then we're going to start on the other side and bring it, do the same until we reach a conclusion point. Waterfall braided her hair all the way from this side, meaning, and it joins in the back in this nice ponytail with just a small elastic. And now we are going to curl each individual thing like that, and then maybe some ends to make it look really pretty. Okay? And you will see the amazing power of my straightener that curls. Yay! And this is the finished product. It is waterfall braided, but it is curled at the end. So it looks so good. Like this. Oh, curl kind of came out, but that's okay. But it looks so pretty. And this is my hair tutorial for this week TheHarveyBloodline. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you learned something. See you later.